Good morning, tubes. Not quite afternoon. It's about 11 o'clock and we got an Explorer to tear apart. Are you ready to hear nothing but power strokes accelerating really aggressively up the hill? Let's do this. And today it is February 5th, Monday. Oh, it's a great day. So what are we doing today, tubes? Okay, garage is still a disaster. When is it not? But we're gonna be working outside because I'm tearing the front half of the interior out of the Explorer, the seats, the carpet. The carpet is soaking wet and moldy because the windshield is leaking. It needs to get replaced. It's just a mess, and I want to get the carpet out because we're going to be working in it, and I don't want to be getting all moldy and wet and crappy. So I want to get the seats out, put in the back of the Explorer. I want to get the carpet out, and I want to lay it in here to kind of dry out. And later I'm going to hit it with the carpet cleaner and get it cleaned up, and I'll probably leave it out until this thing is buttoned up and got the 5-speed in, because I'm just going to drive it on over to the glass shop and have the windshield replaced. Anyways, here's what we're gonna do today. Aside from that, has kind of a messed up bushing, but I think what I want to do is I might pop this C-clip off and pull this rod through and just lube everything up so that way it's not noisy and whatnot. I might actually take this bad bushing and put it over on the other side. Not too sure what I'm going to do there, but not a whole lot of play in it, but I think I'll just lube it up and we'll call it good there. This has got to go in at some point. That's going to be a bit of a challenge because we have some dash stuff to take apart. When we get the carpet out, oh, I didn't realize my boot had a rip in it. That sucks. I think I can get a new one from LMC Truck. But anyways, I want to get this stuff installed. So get this stuff put in there and we'll be golden there. So that's kind of what we got going on today. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Explorer unlocked. I got the battery unhooked. So that's a start. We want the battery unhooked because we're going to be unplugging things, and I actually have some power port stuff that's kind of live most of the time. So we need the battery undone. Yeah, I got this thing to fire up the other day. She started. Almost didn't want to, but did. Smells like something died in there. I'm gonna get the floor mats out of it. That'll be a start. It's not too bad back here. It's just up at the front. And look at the seatbelt. Ew. Ew. Just gonna go ahead and get the passenger seat out now. I do have to hook up the battery because I need to move these seats forward. I think this is going to be a lot of fun, having a 5-speed in this. And I am eventually, if I find another one, I'm going to get the manual shift transfer case for this. Oh, hey. I just found something. That's where that went. My door was, on the driver's side, was missing this, and I already got one at the junkyard. This is not missing it, but I'm sure there's a way to peel them out of here without killing them. They twist in. Okay. Oh, I know that for next time. And then, yep, it's T50. We're gonna need a ratchet to break torque on that. Yeah, she was a little stiff. I can't grip it. There we go. Oh, since it's not raining, I'm gonna set it right here. All right, what do we got here? Got a rock, we got some money, some mold. I hate pennies. I think pennies are kind of a waste. Let's see if we can find any diabetic strips. Oh wait, there they are. At least I have gloves on this time. I didn't realize what they were at the time, but yeah, I got the garbage, throw all that crap in there, and I'm gonna get that seat out and then work on the center console, and then I'll motivate to the back seat and get that out. I think, how's that carpet held down? It's not really held down by much. So, yeah, we can just peel it out. It just, the seats and everything hold that all down. So we get all that out, we can pull the carpet out. Alright, now it comes out. Alright, so what do we got going on here? So I'm not worried about taking any of the bracketry out. This all can stay. It's, you know, the only reason I'm taking this out is just to free up the carpet. And then we've got the screw here. Yeah, okay, we're good now. Got our screws. Yeah, I'm gonna get another bin for plastic pieces. Okay, so now that this is dealt with, I'm gonna pull the back seat out now. Need a little tip for getting the carpet out. This is not exactly necessary to do clutch pedal stuff and putting the floor pan in, although I think it'll make it easier. Plus this carpet, in my case, needs to come out so I can clean it and get the mold out. So this has to be done, and that's what we're doing a part of this video. But quick little tip, if you're getting this carpet out, you don't need to take the back seat out all the way completely. A little redundant there, but you know what I mean. All you have to do is just undo the studs that hold the seat brackets down. And then once you do that, this carpet actually pulls out from under all of this stuff. And then you might need to pop the trim up a little bit. But yeah, the carpet will come right out now. Okay, let's see if we can get this carpet out without having to pull a whole lot of panels apart. We're mostly held in there. This is coming forward. Go to the other side and kind of help it. Just pull the seat back here. Grab some of the carpet. Out from under the plastics. We're held in by something over here. Get out of there. It's just wet. Okay. This is actually almost out of here. We'll go free up the other side. I can't lift from my height because it hurts my back, so I gotta just pull from here and you can separate it like that. Okay, and then we'll get it out. Like that. Get the cables laid through. Nice, and then we'll pull it. Oh yeah. Oh. I need to do something different with this. I don't like how I wired that. It's kind of crappy. Nice, look at that. This floor, it looks pretty good. You know, Ford was really smart with their padding because up front it's the insulation is actually in plastic. It's not just exposed, so it didn't hold any moisture, so it kind of blocked it. And this floor, God, it looks great. It's better than my F-150. Well, I think the next thing we can do, we could actually get that plate out of there and get our floor shifter plate in. Okay, let's see, what do we got going on here? Yeah, buddy. It smells better already with that damn carpet out of here. Yeah, come on now. Oh. We took its virginity. I might, if I could peel this off without destroying it, I might try and do so. Hey, what do we got going on in here? We're gonna play. We're just gonna play pretend right now, okay? I want to take this out completely, but it's just not. Just don't think I have to. I don't want to have to undo this steering shaft and everything. There's 5 bolts that hold the plate for this guy onto the firewall, and they're these guys here, 10 millimeter. And then, let's see, what was it for this size? I totally forgot. I think it was it 9/16? Yeah, it was 9/16. Got that off, and now I'm going after the clutch pedal nuts. They're the same size as well. I've got a few of the bolts and screws undone for the dash, and right now it's at a point where it'll come forward and it'll go up, and I think I might be able to get just enough room to get a socket back in there. Got it. Now that I know what I'm doing, just that little bit of pulling the dash back allowed for me to get this up under this air duct. And once I did that, I was home free. You mustn't convert me to manual. No! Alright, now watch this. Yeah, there you go. Let's just go ahead and get you out of the way so you don't try and make a scene. I'll get you out of there so you don't try and make a scene either. And then the speedo cable ran up through there. Alright, tubes. Took a moment to look at our clutch pedal assembly that we pulled from the junkyard, and I was comparing it to the automatic pedal assembly, and I'm very fortunate that these two are identical. In fact, they have the exact same part number. They're literally the same. So, let's looking at the manual one. Remember how I was like, oh man, that bushing's all wore out? Check that out. Yeah. Almost bueno. This one here is perfect. My cat's trying to climb the Explorer. It's funny. She almost didn't make it. Okay, so took the automatic pedal assembly housing and just stripped it down and just cleaned it up, or just cleaned up the holes that the bushings were in. I've got, yeah, this is like brand new. This is nice. I took the bushings that were in the automatic pedal assembly and one of the good ones out of the manual assembly and cleaned them up, lubed them up with the stuff that I just showed you, and then just put it all back together. I can't remember exactly how it went, but I got a preload washer here, and then I put two in here, and it moves very freely. It's like butter. I mean, it moves very well. So that's good. And then this one here also moves very freely. It doesn't squeak. It's not tight. It's good. So I gotta get new pads for this. But yeah, I think we can just put it back together. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna call her a night. I've got the pedal assembly almost in there, but I'm just fighting some of those support braces, and I'm getting tired. My back is kind of bugging me a little bit. So I'm gonna stop here. Almost got it in there. It's basically just a matter of buttoning this thing back together. So I'll probably take care of that off camera. And well, our next part is, I'm kind of waiting on parts, but just getting automatic out. So probably what I might do is actually want to get this squared away. I'm thinking about rolling this thing in here, and we'll just start dropping the automatic, and that way we can have an idea of what other parts we may need. I think this is a good stopping point. It dried out pretty decently, and it smells a lot better. Doesn't smell like a cat died in here, so that's good. Well, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna call her a day. We'll catch you next time. And also, be sure to check out Central Oregon Shenanigans and the Fox Shop. And I'm gonna play some clips after this so you can see what they're all about. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Subscribe and give the video a big like. Thank you, and we'll see you later.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have me.
Oh, crazy mother.